Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. What is life? Life is whatever happens to you actually when you are busy planning. Yeah, got a plan for 10 years, 20 years, 15 years. Yeah, before that time, before that plan, between that period, that's life. Leave that moment. You never know. Maybe you will never live that time. The time you're planning. Maybe you never live in that time. This is a life. And do not overlook or ignore this time. Yeah. Do not. Because this is the life. This is the meaning of life. When we ignore this, nothing happens. This is why on the day of Qiyamah, on the day of judgment, يقسم المجرمون ما لبثوا غير ساعة. The criminals, disbelievers, sinners, they will swear and say, no, we did not live on earth but an hour. Why? It's because maybe they died before the plan. Actually, imagine now you have that plan. Maybe you are trying to do whatever you can just to live that life, and actually you're not considering this time you are living right now. You want to live that moment, then you die between reaching that time. What will happen to you? You feel like it's a surprise. You feel like you never lived on the earth. So live the moment. Assalamu alaikum.